you know about that wake, bake, dominate, smoking every minute. I hear them all talking about it, none of them showing they live it. They look at all of my pictures and some are up on the ceiling. If I'm ever in your town, I'm smoking out every building I'm in. All I do is wake up, roll up, looking for a lighter, what's the hold up? You know I got that fire, nigga, hold up. You know I'm the old American smoker, don't you? Believe I achieve what the rest don't. Come and get a whiff for this gasoline. I hope you got your lungs ready, cause I'm about to take you higher than you ever been. On with the clouds, far away from the stars, but no longer on the ground. Everything getting smaller, but my blunt's on exhale. Only to extend, getting high with some help from my friends. We elevated. We elevated. We elevated. Please don't arrest me for my stank nugs, Mr. Officer, I ain't selling. Got my medical marijuana card and I'm just chilling. Yes, I'm high and the motherfucker smell it on my clothes. It's my eyes are open, I know they look like they closed. Got these
I don't wanna say anything, cause if I do I might say the wrong words. Oh no. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I lose you if I didn't. Till we find what we're missing and compromise. So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can't we find a single reason not to say goodbye? Oh, if I said what's on my mind, would you stay with me tonight? If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Would that make you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. Oh, would that make you run and hide? Don't know what to do anymore. I'm out of options, nothing's working. I'm out of service. Come help me now, I'm fucking nervous. I'm trying but can't scratch the surface. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I lose you if I didn't. Till we find what we're missing and compromise. So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can't we find a single reason not to say goodbye?
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more.
What you say?
Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more.
Oh woman, don't treat me so mean. You're the meanest old woman that I've ever seen. I guess if you say so, I'll have to pack my things and go.
That's right, hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more.
What you say?
Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more.